Best dinner recipes in Tamil. 1. Chettinad chicken curry. Chettinad chicken curry is a popular South Indian dish that originated in the Chettinad region of Tamil Nadu. It is a spicy and flavorful dish made with a blend of aromatic spices, coconut, and chicken. This dish is usually served with steamed rice or roti and is a perfect dinner option for those who love spicy food. Ingredients: 500 grams boneless chicken cubed, 2 onions, finely chopped, 3 tomatoes pured, 2 tsp ginger garlic paste, 1 tsp turmeric powder, 2 tsp red chili powder, 2 tsp coriander powder, 1 tsp cumin powder, 1 tsp garam masala powder, 1 tsp fennel seeds, 1 tsp mustard seeds, 1 tsp cumin seeds, 5-6 curry leaves, a quarter cup grated coconut, salt to taste, 2 tsp oil, fresh coriander leaves for garnish. Instructions: 1. In a pan, heat oil and add fennel seeds, mustard seeds, and cumin seeds. Let them splutter. 2. Add chopped onions and curry leaves and saute until onions turn translucent. 3. Add ginger garlic paste and saute for a minute. 4. Add tomato puree and cook until oil separates. 5. Add turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, and garam masala powder. Mix well. 6. Add chicken cubes and mix well until they are coated with the masala. 7. Add 1 cup of water, cover and let it cook on medium heat for 15-20 minutes. 8. In a separate pan, dry roast grated coconut until it turns golden brown. 9. Once the chicken is cooked, add the roasted coconut and mix well. 10. Let it cook for another 5 minutes. 11. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves and serve hot with rice or roti. 2. Sambar rice. Sambar rice, also known as sambar sadam, is a popular South Indian one-pot meal. It is a flavorful combination of rice, lentils, vegetables, and spices. This dish is not only delicious, but also nutritious and is a perfect dinner option for vegetarians. Ingredients: 1 cup rice, a half cup tur dal, 1 onion chopped, 1 tomato chopped, 1 carrot chopped, 1 potato chopped, 1 drumstick chopped, 1 cup mixed vegetables: cauliflower, beans, peas, 1 tsp tamarind pulp, 1 tsp turmeric powder, 1 tsp red chili powder, 1 tsp coriander powder, 1 tsp cumin powder, 1 tsp mustard seeds, 1 tsp fenugreek seeds, 1 tsp urad dal, 5-6 curry leaves, salt to taste, 2 tsp oil, fresh coriander leaves for garnish. Instructions: 1. Wash and soak rice and tur dal in water for 30 minutes. 2. In a pressure cooker, add soaked rice and dal, chopped vegetables, turmeric powder, salt, and 2 cups of water. Pressure cook for 3 whistles. 3. In a pan, heat oil and add mustard seeds, fenugreek seeds, and urad dal. Let them splutter. 4. Add chopped onions and curry leaves and saute until onions turn translucent. 5. Add tomatoes and cook until they turn mushy. 6. Add tamarind pulp, red chili powder, coriander powder, and cumin powder. Mix well. 7. Add 1 cup of water and let it simmer for 5 minutes. 8. Once the pressure is released from the cooker, open it and add the prepared sambar to the rice and dal mixture.